Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of deleting user accounts in Windows 10. Whether you're removing an old user or cleaning up your PC, deleting user accounts is a straightforward process. So let's get started. Step 1. Open your Windows settings. To do this, click on the Windows Start menu, usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, click on the gear icon to access the Settings menu. Great! Now that you have the Settings menu open, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Click on Accounts. You'll find this option in the Settings menu. Excellent. Now, on to the next step. Step 3. Click on Family and Other Users. You'll see this option in the vertical menu on the left side of the window. Note that if you're using a work or school PC, you may have to select Other Users or Other People instead. Almost there. Now for the next step. Step 4. Click on the person you want to delete. Once you select the user, you'll see more options appear for that particular user. Fantastic. Now that you've selected the user, let's proceed to the next step. Step 5. Click on Remove. A confirmation message will appear, notifying you that all of that user's data will be removed from the PC if you continue. Please make sure you have backed up any important data associated with the user account before proceeding. Step 6. Click on Delete Account and Data. This action will permanently remove all of the user's data from the PC. Congratulations! You have successfully deleted the user account and removed all associated data from your Windows 10 PC. That concludes today's tutorial on how to delete user accounts in Windows 10. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.